how to change the name in Outlook Mail. So if you want to change your name in your Outlook Mail, then what you can do is first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and then simply search for Outlook and go for the Outlook login and make sure to log into your Outlook account. So go for sign in, which is on the upper right, and make sure to sign into your account. Once you've signed in, now to change your name on your Outlook, you can simply go to the profile, which is on the upper right, and then go for my profile. So you can't change your name on your Outlook, but if you change your name on your Microsoft account, then your name will be automatically changed on your Outlook. So you just need to go to your profile of your Microsoft account, and then here you will have your full name. So simply go for the edit name, which is on the right side, and here you need to enter the first and last name, or simply remove that name and then you can add another name. And here you will have your captcha, so you can simply enter this captcha or these numbers or letters which you see here. You need to enter that here on this blank, or if you don't see clearly, then you can also choose the audio and then you can hear the audio, or you can simply generate a new captcha. And once you've entered your first and last name and then the characters that you see here, you can simply click on save and your name will be changed. So that's how you can change your name on your Outlook mail. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.